This is a quick and easy fall art activity. You'll need 3 paint colors or pastels, red, orange, and yellow. Take a marker and anywhere on the paper, draw 3 lines. It's best if they go in different directions to make the falling leaves look a little bit more realistic. Then choose 3 different leaf patterns. Once you're done drawing the outlines of the leaves, you get your paint. You can either start with the yellow or start with the red. I put the yellow at the top of the leaf and I divide it in my head where about thirds are. Top third, middle third, bottom third for each color. I also have a little water and tissues to clean off my paintbrush so I don't mix the colors quite yet. I first want to put the paint on and then I blend them together at the end. Okay, to blend them, I clean off my brush again, put a tiny bit of water, very tiny bit. I even dab it back on the tissue so it's not too wet. And then I start at one end of the leaf and work my way to the other end. Now I'm going on to the next leaf after cleaning my brush again. This time I'm starting with red. You can either start on the red side or the yellow side as long as you're cleaning your paintbrush so they don't get all mixed together. Trying to use that same about 1/3 for each color. And it's okay if it's not perfect. It's okay if each one is a little different. That's okay. Okay, starting my blending on this one. I use a little bit more red to fill in the gaps and a tiny bit of water to spread the color. I don't want to use too much water, just a tiny bit just to spread the paint. Same with when I'm picking up the paint with my paintbrush. I don't want to take huge puddles of paint, just light layers, and if you need more, you can always add another layer on top. Going on to my last leaf here. For all these leaf outlines, I'm using a smaller brush, not too big, not too small. Once you're done, let it dry, and then you take a Sharpie and go over your original outline you did with your marker. Once you finish your outline, I draw tiny lines to show texture on the leaves. And now it is all done. They all will look a little bit different, but that's okay. On the wall, they'll look very great together, like leaves blowing in the wind, just like this.